Welcome everyone to my first big video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pickled radishes. This is the ingredients list. This recipe can make up to 1 kilogram of radishes, but as you will see, I didn't make that many, and I've adapted this recipe from a BBC Good Food recipe that I found. So step 1, you want to be cutting up your radishes, taking the ends off. This took me quite a while, so I sped up the video for your convenience. Next, you want to be making the brine, so I added 140 grams of coarse sea salt to 300 milliliters of boiling water, and I gave it a really good stir. You want to try and get all the salt to dissolve, although you can see here that I didn't quite manage that. Next, you want to be adding your radishes, and you want to soak these overnight. You want to cover the radishes and put them in the fridge ideally, but I just left them on the side because I didn't have room. This is the fun part, making the pickling vinegar. So you want to toast those aromatic spices and then add 700 milliliters of white wine vinegar and 150 grams of sugar. I used demerara sugar because that's all we had in, but you can use white sugar as well. Add 2 bay leaves and some fresh ginger, and then give it a good stir and let it simmer. Add all the radishes to the jar. Make sure you sterilise the jar beforehand, and then add the hot pickling vinegar. Make sure to get all those tasty bits in. Okay, seal the jar and wait for up to 2 weeks before eating, and these will last up to 6 months in the fridge.